Hello and welcome back to another video in Vedic astrology. Today I am going to speak about Akshaya Tritiya. The term Akshaya Tritiya is comprised of two words. Akshaya means that which never ends, that which is without boundary. Tritiya is actually the third lunar day from both the full moon and the new moon, but in this case it is actually from the new moon. So Akshaya Tritiya happens only during the waxing phase of the moon. It happens only once a year. It's a very special day. I'll be covering the astrological significance of Akshaya Tritiya in another video. Please don't miss that video, which I'm going to immediately do after this one. But in this video I'm going to focus mainly on what you can do with Akshaya Tritiya. So that's the main purpose of this video. In India, if you ask anyone, what do you do with Akshaya Tritiya? The unanimous answer you will get is buy gold. Anything else? No, nothing else but except gold. This is the way most people in India look at Akshaya Tritiya, and that is thanks to the full page advertisements given by jewelers across India. There's nothing wrong buying the gold, but the only point is that you must ensure that you buy the gold only in Tritiya, whereas the Akshaya Tritiya date is a physical date announced on a particular date. And you might think that the whole day is Akshaya Tritiya. That will not be so. You might actually end up buying gold in Dvitiya, which is the second Tithi or the second lunar day, and most probably you might even buy gold during Chaturthi, the fourth lunar day. So you will have to ensure that actually you buy the gold only in the third lunar day, which is called Tritiya. Apart from buying gold, what else can you do? What else do you want in abundance in this life? So you can do anything concerning that. So for example, if you have Putra Dosha, the fifth house in your horoscope is afflicted by malefics, the fifth lord is in 6, 8 and 12. There are so many other rules. Please refer to my WordPress articles that I have covered these things at length. So please read it and find out which is your weakest point in your chart and try to use it and try to do the remedies on Akshaya Tritiya. So until the next year, you will have an endless supply of the benefits of doing the charity. So if it is Putra Dosha, go to an orphanage, give lots of things to the orphan children, make them very happy, and you'll surely be happy throughout the year. And if you have the ninth house afflicted and let's say Rahu is there or other malefics are there, and let's say the ninth lord is also in a bad house like 6th, 8th or 12th, and so many other rules are there for finding Pitru Dosha. And if you have Pitru Dosha, one is you can do the Pitru Tarpanams, which is the worship of your ancestors. And this is one way of doing it. Visit old age homes where the parents are. These parents were discarded by their children. It's very unfortunate. So, but you can think that they are your parents, and you can actually go there and give some anything that you want. Make them happy, and when they are happy, automatically the departed souls in your family, all of them will definitely bless you. So in the same way, if you have problems like bad planets in the second house blocking your finances, then you should do a lot of charity using money. So give money to the poor people. In the same way, if you have some problem with diabetes, then you can use this Akshaya Tritiya day to distribute, donate food to any place. Maybe it can be a place of worship, it can be an orphanage, old age home, or any such place. In the same way, if you have been continuously affected by health reasons, you've been very unhappy with your health and you're continuously troubled by diseases, you can actually go and distribute a lot of medicines to buy medicines and give them to the poor patients who cannot afford the medicines. Of course, you can't do this directly because you don't know which medicine is safe. So you will have to do this through social service organizations like the Rotary Club or the Lions Club. Contact them, or you may reach out to doctors and ask them if there is anything that you can do to help people perform maybe a surgery or do anything like that. Or relieve a person of suffering in terms of diseases. So all you have to do is, whether you read it from your horoscope or not, most of us can understand from our own life experiences that where we lack as far as karma goes, where we might have accumulated the sins from the past life in which account, and then you can use Akshaya Tritiya to pay back that part of the loan that has been pending. And in this way you can have an abundance of joy, lots of good things happening to you throughout the rest of the year from this Akshaya Tritiya to the next. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and in case you have any doubts, please ask them in the comment section, and I'll be immediately doing another video in which I'll be covering the astrological significance of Akshaya Tritiya. Don't miss it, because until you know what is astrological significance, you're not going to give lots of importance to this special day that happens just once every year.